Hello, and welcome to Interface Communications, an analysis of opportunities. I'm Jake Durant, and I'll be your presenter. In our presentation, we'll do a brief introduction to our organization, Interface Communication. We'll look at where are we headed, some important questions to ask as we look at the future. We'll define organizational analysis and introduce appreciative inquiry, SOAR, and the 4D cycle. And we'll consider the results of that evaluation for our organization and how these results can guide us into the future. Interface Communications. We're a communications company. We've been in business for 40 years. We have 93 employees and 6 specialized divisions, from highway infrastructure, intelligent transportation systems, electrical services, building security, special IT systems, and engineering. Considering an organization at present, many of us would like to know, where is the organization going? To better understand this, there are a few questions we must ask, such as what is it that we do best? What does our future look like? Where do our opportunities lie? And how do we get there? An organizational analysis is a great tool available to answer these questions. So what is organizational analysis? Well, according to Child 2014, it is the process of reviewing and diagnosing the organization at present to develop a plan for the future. This often involves deconstructing systematically the organization. While there are different assessments in performing an organizational analysis, such as the SWOT approach, or the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, which focuses on problem solving and looks at organizations as a problem that needs to be solved, the one we will use today is the appreciative inquiry approach for our organization. There are different approaches, such as SOAR and the 4D approach, that both fall under the appreciative inquiry. So what is appreciative inquiry, or AI? It is valuing the best of what we do, and it focuses on our strengths and our strategic advantages to help us envision the possibilities for our organization. It all opens up the discussion on what should be. It's also basic assumption. This differs from SWOT, as SWOT is a problem-solving approach, by looking at an organization as a mystery to be explored. Now the 4D cycle, or discovery, dream, design, and destiny. In discovery, we look at what we do best. Dream, where can that take us? Design, how do we get there? And destiny, how do we sustain it? It's very similar to the SOAR approach, or the strengths, opportunities, aspirations, and results approach. Next, we'll take a look at both of these and the results for our organization. Using the 4D cycle, we begin in discovery, where we look for what it is that we do best. Here at Interface Communications, we work very hard to develop our employees. We have high quality installations. We have a diverse trade knowledge with our 6 specialized departments. Moving from discovery to dream, what are our possibilities? Innovation, department collaboration, partnerships. Where does that take us in the future? Well, the changes in the environment, the external environment, renewable energy is becoming a thing of the future, and we've got the manpower and the specializations to pursue this bright and exciting future. That moves us to design. How do we get there? Well, we'll have to go through innovation, through collaboration. All 6 departments should work together to collaborate, come up with plans and the skill sets necessary to enter this new market. They'll take employee development and developing relationship with other companies and municipalities. Finally, looking at destiny, how do we sustain the change? We must be future-centric, both in our training and in our hiring. We must continue to develop our employees towards this new model of renewable energy. We must complete continuous assessments. Are we reaching our goals, and do our goals need to change? Moving from the 4D cycle to the SOAR approach, the strengths, opportunities, aspirations, and results approach, you can see where each one of our results from the 4D cycle fall under the SOAR approach. Under strengths, you have employee development, opportunities, renewable energy, aspirations, interdepartmental collaboration, and results, continued assessment and development of personnel for future-centric purposes. But how do these work to guide us through our future? Through the use of appreciative inquiry, organizations can better understand what it is that they do best. They understand what their strengths are, their strategic advantages are. By using those to build a vision, a dream, and a future-centric plan, leaders can use these newfound results as a guide towards the future. They use it in their communication, by communicating to all stakeholders, both internal and external, the vision and the future of the company, and how we plan on getting there. They use it in collaboration. When we collaborate with both internal and external stakeholders, we collaborate with the future in mind, renewable energy in this situation. Innovation. Innovate with renewable energy in mind. Should we add solar to a project that's using traditional power? And in our decision making, having a vision and a sight for the future helps our leaders in making better, more sound decisions that are in line with our future plans. In summary, we've taken a look at the overview of our organization, looked at how we understand where we are going, we've defined organizational analysis, we've explained appreciative inquiry, SOAR, and the 4D cycle, and we've discussed how we could use these results to guide our organization into the future. Appreciative inquiry. It focuses on our strengths and the positives, it looks for opportunities and where we can continue to grow with our strategic advantages. Focus on where it is we want to be and how we are going to be there, and use this knowledge to help guide us in our decision making, day to day and strategically. Thank you for joining me for our presentation.